Hello friends, in this lecture we will see what happens when the direction of current in two wires is same or different. So let's begin. This is our first wire, this is our second wire, and the direction of current in both the wire is same. This wire is having current I1 and this wire is having current I2. These are infinite wires. And the distance between the two wires is D. Wire second is present in the magnetic field of wire 1 and wire 1 is present in the magnetic field of wire 2. So the general formula of magnetic field is mu naught I divided by 2 pi d. From the diagram it is clear that wire 2 is present in the magnetic field of wire 1. So the direction of magnetic field at this point due to wire 1 is inside the plane. So inside the plane, and the direction of magnetic field here due to this wire is outside the plane. So magnetic field of wire 1 is mu naught I1 divided by 2 pi d, and the magnitude of magnetic field due to wire 2 is mu naught I2 divided by 2 pi d. Now force on wire 1 due to 2. The general formula of force is I into dl cross b. This is the general formula of force, and we have to find the force on wire 1 due to wire 2. So I dl, the current on wire 1 is I1, and here the magnetic field of wire second is present. So this is B2. Now F force on 1 due to 2 is I1 dl B2 sin theta. Then force on 1 due to 2 is I1 dl, and the magnitude of B is mu naught I2 divided by 2 pi d into sin 90 degree, because force on 1 due to 2, wire 1 is present in the magnetic field of wire 2, so the direction of current is like this and the magnetic field outside the plane, and this angle is 90 degree. So here sin 90 equals to 1. Then we can write mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi d into dl. Then force per unit length equals to mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi d. I brought dl in the denominator. Then force per unit length equals to mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi d. So this is the force which is exerted on wire 1 by wire 2. Now we have to find the direction of this force. The force is acting on wire 1. So the wire 2 is exerting force on wire 1. So magnetic field is into the plane like this, and the current is this, and we spread our fingers from dl to b. It is dl and this is b. So the direction of force is like this. This wire is exerting force on this wire. in this manner. Now we have to find force on 2 due to 1. So I2 dl, wire second is present in the magnetic field of wire 1, so B1 sin theta. Force on 2 due to 1 is I2 dl, and the magnitude of B1 is mu naught I 1 divided by 2 pi d, and theta is 90, like this. Force on 2 due to 1. So this is the current and this is the magnetic field. So the angle is 90 degree. The value of sin 90 is 1. And then F21 equals to mu naught I1 I2 dl divided by 2 pi d. Then I am writing here force on 2 due to 1 is force per unit length equals to mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi d. So the magnitude of both the forces is same. So the wire 1 exert force of magnitude mu naught I1 I2 into 2 divided by 2 pi d on wire 1, and wire 1 also exert magnitude force of magnitude mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi d on wire 2. Now we have to find the direction of force exerted by wire 1. So this is our current and this is magnetic field. The force is in this direction. That means these two wires will attract each other. They will attract each other by the force, and the magnitude of force is mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi d.